Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Yes, my voice sounds horrible, but I said, you know what? We get at least gonna try to make it through to video number, whatever number this is, because yeah, I've been stalling because my voice has gone up and down, up and down, up and down. So I'm sorry, but here it is. How you doing today? So we're gonna go ahead and get started with our Vlogmas, with our Advents, and we're going to be doing two, well technically three. We're going to add in the last Advent that I had mentioned that I potentially had a third one. So this is from Nightmare Before Christmas. So this was, I believe, day 12, because I think I did, I think it was 12. Yeah. This is 12. So this is 12 from the Funko Pops. Okay, so here we have Wally's friend. Yes, because I believe in the last video I did Wally. So this is either day 12 and 13. And then this is either 13 or 14. I'm so sorry, I don't remember which one it is. But it's the next one in line. So these are the next two. And this is the next Funko Pop. Okay. And here we go. Here's the girl. Oh, so cute. So I'm adding in a third and final Advent. This time, this is, what is this one called? This one is called Marvel. So this box is a Marvel 12-day count. So I had to wait to start this one. So this is the first day of the 12-day count from the Marvel Funko Pop. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got a sled. Oh, that's nice. So I hope that means whatever I got next is someone to sit on the sled. So that's pretty cool. So that's what we have. So this is either 12 or 13. And then this is 13 or 14. And then this is the new Funko Pop of our Advents. And that will be the third and final Advent, because I only got 3 this year. So I'm going to tell y'all what I was working on before my voice decided to go south. It was setting up my planner. So this one is my brain bin, and I already put some stickers in there that says brain bin for 2025. And then this one is going to be my catch-all. So they're made by the same people, the Aura Estelle and Annie Plants collab. This one is a weekly spread, complete weeks. This one is a classic, and they are different. They're not the same. And I've used both of these before, so I'm familiar with kind of how they're set up. So let me tell you the story. See, what had happened was I was determined to stick with what I like, which is the binding type planners. And I'm like, yeah, I like these a lot. And I like that you can get them undated. I'm like, yeah, I like these a lot. So that was the thought process for getting these two. Well, technically there's 3, and I'll show you the third one in another video. But anyway, so I went ahead and started setting up these. So this is my brain bin, and I think I mentioned in a previous video that they're undated and how I'm using the tabs at the top for the monthlies. So you can see there's 6 there. And then my plan was to go ahead and put the months here. Well, yeah, I did a little snafu, but it's all good. It's all good. It's still gonna work its way out. It is what it is. You can't undo sticker on this type of paper. So just let you know, once you put a sticker down on this paper, it's staying. It's not going nowhere. It's not going nowhere. So I'll show you what I've done so far. So there's January. Take a little squeak of water here. And then you have pages in between the months. And it's the same way for the weeks too. And then there's February. So my plan is just to do the first 6 months. So that's why I only tab 6 months. So this is the book that I'm using here. And whatever washi that I have nearby that I think goes good with it, that's what I'm using. So far I've done January and February. And then I'm going to be moving into this one to do the next set of months. Okay? So this is my brain bin. This is what I kind of like do my pre-planning. That's what we use this for, pre-planning. And then this one is my everyday carry. It's my catch-all, right? This is the pretty one. This is the one that get all the pretty stickers. Well, technically, the other one gonna get pretty stickers too this upcoming year, but we'll talk about that later. So this is the cover that I have been wanting. I want to get the one with the presents on it, but they asking too much for that on Macari, and I'm like, no, we're not gonna do that. So this is Yami Katagashi. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that wrong. Kirigishi. I'm so sorry if I'm badgering the name. But anyways, that's what I got. But look on the inside. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? I love it. Love it. Love it. But that's the name of it. Yeah. I'm so sorry if I'm badgering the name. It is what it is. I love the yellow. And I love that comic on the inside. It kind of played a little bit with my One Piece for my A6, right? Yeah. Moving right along. So let me move this over. Here's my pencil board that I'm going to be using. And it goes right along with the theme of it all. So let me just move this over to the side just for a few minutes. And then just talk about this one. So my brain bin is a vertical weeks standard, box size columns. You know what that looks like. Here, let me bring it back into play so you guys can see one of the weeks. So here, let me move it up so y'all can see that, right? Standard, basically your 1.3 with, you got 8, 7 days, and this week right there. So that's what's in my complete, right? That's what the weeks looks like in there. That's what the complete look like. Now in the classic, the weeks don't look like that. They look different. Girl, let me show you. Let me get to January right quick so y'all can see what it looked like. There. So this is what the weeks look like in the classic. So it is basically, you have same setup, which you have 8 columns, but the width on these is about 2 and some change. I forgot the exact number, but it's way more than 1.3. So all of the columns are this width. So I kind of did a pencil drawing so you can see. I already put a sticker here from January, and there's 8. So basically you have a week on 4 pages. So you got 2 here, 2 here, that's 4, 2 there, 2 there. So you got your week on 4 pages. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. So that's for 1 week. Now the beauty of having the classic is you don't have to use just Hobonichi style kits. No. No ma'am. No sir. You can use any type of style kits that you want. Anything that you have, you can use in this. And that was the main reason why I got the classic, because I miss using my other kits. I miss using a standard, 1.5 box, but you really could work it out in a Hobonichi. You just have to do a little, change it up a little bit. But then this, you don't have to do no changing. You can do whatever you want. Journaling stickers, Hobonichi kits, mini kits, PP Week kits, whatever kits you have, all of them are going to fit in here. And that's why I picked this one as my everyday carry. Yes and yes. So let me get back to the story, because I said I got a story to tell y'all. Back to her. So when I put the stickers for the months, so I put these blue tabs, just so you can see, so that the month begins here, and then all of the weeks for that month is behind it, right? So in my brain, because yeah, it was being special, my brain, I was looking at the calendar, and I was saying, okay, every month got 5 weeks, right? Hear me out, hear me out. So when I'm going over here and I'm counting, I'm doing 5 weeks for every month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sticker. 1, 2, 3. I know somebody's over there probably saying, you should have did that. Right. Why y'all weren't talking to me before I put these non-forgivable stickers down? Right. So I forgot, and I wasn't paying attention, that everybody don't have 5 full weeks. And that's where it threw me off. So this month, this one, and that one. These 3. February, March, November. Technically, that first week is not a full week, right? So that means this day is technically attached to the previous month, right? So I am short, I think, 3 weeks in December. It's all good. It's all good. Here, let me show you how I'm working that out. Let me show you. Yes, let me show you how I'm working that out. In the back of December, when all the weeks are done, here, let me go to the last one so y'all can see it. Where is it? Okay, so when all of the weeks are done, you just have blank pages. And guess what I'm going to do? Make them weeks. That's the beauty about it. These are blank pages. There's nothing on there. So, of course, I can make these into weeks, into my columns. Of course I can. There you go. Problem solved. Bam. Yes, yes, yes. Listen, you're supposed to have been on here telling me before. Don't try to tell me now. Don't try to tell me now. So what I did with this one was, hold up, wait a minute. Let me do it the right way. That's what I did. So this time I did not put any stickers down except for these little bitty tabs. And these are from the Honeybee Shop. Aren't they so cute? I love these little things. So there's 12 months there, right? That's for the months. So I'll let you see what the month is looking like. This I'll be using for birthdays. I thought about tracking my movies again for next year. So here's the month so you can see. This time the column, the extra width column is on this side. Right? So you got the 12 monthly spreads in the front. And then you have the weeks in after the months. Right? So you have your 8 days, your 8 columns. And then you go into the next. So this time what I did is I counted out right. I paid attention to the month, like January and March. Paid attention where the first ends, yada, yada, yada. Boom, boom, boom. And then this time when I calculated, when I got to the end, when I got to the last one, I'm good. I'm good to go. See, this time I counted the weeks. Just to make sure I had enough for all 52 weeks. So yes. Now we are good. So I'm in the process of putting my stickers on here. So we're going to be using these in here. We're going to put that die cut in there as well. And I believe I said I was going to put these on the weeks. I don't know if I said I was going to do these for the weeks or for the months for the first year, because I love those. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes, yes. So this is going to be in this cover with that pencil board. So this is going in here, and this planner is going to be put in a blue cover. Here it is. It's going to be in my blue Coach cover. So my brain bin is in my blue one, and then my everyday carry is in this one. All right, so that's where we are thus far. Hopefully by the time I get back on here again, my voice is going to be better. Who knows? But until next time, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and have a good one.